everyone. This is our very first class, and this is Ma. So, this is our yoga class based on our research, and we have 7 notes Sare Gama Padhani. This was the Ma notes because in our research we have divided days for each chakras. Okay, so from new moon to full moon, 2 day for each chakra. Like first and second day will be root chakra, then 2 day was sacral chakra, like this, and this is the heart day. So we started this session with Ma, which is the note for heart center. So our this yoga session will be divided based on purely our research, all aspects: chakra, music, color, food, yogasan, and all kind of yoga. So you can see behind me there is a book, Synthesis of Yoga, that tells about integral yoga. So all the masters in the world, whatever they told about yoga, whatever they practiced, and whatever they gave us as a gift. So we are integrating this all things, and as we are in Auroville, this is our session. I am Bowman Hu. This is Oro Multiversum, and I am in Auroville. This is our yoga temple, integral yoga temple, and this session we will talk about very basics. So first few session we will introduce our concept also, our framework also actually. So for this is my PhD research also, and everyone here is practitioner and researcher also. So this research, so we have 5 koshas: physical body, vital, mental, supramental, and bliss. For physical body, hatha yoga we practice generally. So we have divided yogasana, pranayam, meditation techniques, concentrations, everything according to chakras. And then after practice, because practicing on physical levels transform the cellular level, it is very difficult thing. And this as our research based on quantum science, so our mental body, our vital body is more quantum, but our gross physical body is not less quantum, it is more Newtonian physics. Rules apply here on the physical. So we will cover everything, every aspect of yoga. Like for physical body, we will talk and practice about physical hatha yoga also. For our vital body, any kind of technique like pranayama, chi, qigong, tai chi, any kind of healing, any kind of technique that is introduced in the whole world, we will cover under it. Then for the meaning making machine, our mind. So for meaning making, we have also something in our these sessions. And for supramental, like our beyond mind level. So as we are in Auroville, and Mother and Sri Aurobindo always talked about supramental, how what is beyond mind. And as we are practicing here in Auroville, these kind of thing, and we have covered many other masters also in our framework. So now we are integrating our practices, and we will find with the help of data also. And ultimate is the bliss, and beyond bliss is carry that bliss, that divine into the matter. That is Sri Aurobindo and Mother's agenda. that this evolution, this is called evolution, and yoga is the evolution fast forward. All life is yoga, all nature is yoga, everything is yoga. But natural yoga, subconscious yoga is, it goes slowly, slowly. But when we, in a yogic technique, when we try to apply these things in certain manner that has been discovered by many sages, rishis, then it becomes fast forward. And as Mother and Sri Aurobindo told us that after 1956, 29 Feb, supramental has descended for human being, for nature, for earth, and for the universe. And in 1958, nature also started collaborating, because if supramental is descending and our nature is not ready, then there will be chaos. And we can see, if someone wants that what is the evidence, we can see the progress of human being in the last 40, 50 years. It has gone rapidly. Now super intelligent, artificial intelligence and AI also, and many things are changing. And 200, 300 years, many things have been changed. Many disruptions also come, and now we are moving towards that superhuman, supra mental phase we are going. So, as this Auroville is the place, an experiment center for doing this kind of yoga. Okay, this is the introduction. Now, what is our framework? Our framework is our physical body needs discipline. Our vital body also and our mental body also needs discipline. Beyond these three bodies, there is discipline of nature, there is discipline of another kind. But till then, we will have to adopt techniques according to our nature, our own nature. Some people's heart are so open, some people's mind, Gyan yoga, Bhakti yoga, and some people needs some work. And integrating integral yoga is all about all these aspects. But we have divided in our framework all these aspects. So what we did, 1 year we have divided in Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, and Karma Yoga. So from to January, February, and March, and April, these 3 months we have divided into Bhakti Yoga, because at the time of January there is a spring season here, nice time for devotion, blossoming, celebration, bliss, joy. And then summer and rainy season come when we cannot do anything. At the time, that time is for Jnana Yoga. We go inside, and then there is a season for doing hard work, hardships. That will be Karma Yoga. So majorly we divide it like that, three yoga. And if we see mother symbol, Matri Mandir symbol, so that symbol is mother symbol has four aspects. So many people thought whether God is Sakar or Nirakar. There is also a conflict. So we have tried to resolve in this framework also that Ishwar is Nirakar. So in mother symbol it is Aditi, and then it manifests in divide. This is called Diti. So Matri Mandir symbol, center chambers symbol is of Aditi, and then it divides into four aspects of life: Mahakali, Maheshwari, Mahasaraswati, and Mahalakshmi. So From Maheshwari, Mahalakshmi, Mahakali, and Mahasaraswati, in this sequence, we have divided 3 months from 15 Jan, then next 3 months. So right now this is April, and now Mahalakshmi phase has been on for doing to knowing all aspects of Mahalakshmi. Previous 3 months was for Maheshwari. We have did some work, but we didn't take sessions on it. We will cover in some session the aspects of Maheshwari. You can see one book, The Mother. You can see all about these all four aspects of the mother: quality, wisdom, strength, harmony, and perfection. Mahasaraswati perfection. This city Auroville also designed like that: power, wisdom, perfection, harmony. All pavilions are Mahalakshmi side, all industrial sector are for power side, and then all mm, perfection section where we do something, some international pavilions. So we collaborate and show some skills. There is from Mahasaraswati sides, and for harmony, all that kind of hall where cultural activity and many things for enhancing life, enriching life are going for Mahalakshmi side. So this is our four in our framework. We have divided four whole year into four parts, four quadrants. Now each month, each month is divided into um, one quality, like 12 month, 12 quality. 15th January to 15th of Feb, when Sun transit to a new moon sign, new zodiac sign. At each 15th, sun moves. That is called in Hindi Sankranti, Sankraman Kal, transition period, like Makar Sankranti. So we have 12 zodiac signs, so 12 transition. So those 12 transitions we have took initial point of that one quality, because 1 month we will practice one quality. And as Mahalakshmi, for this 3 month has been, we are practicing the aspects of Mahalakshmi. And month, month is of perseverance. Color is yellow. In Hindi, it is called dranata. Perseverance is very important pillar. So initial 8 qualities are devoting towards divine, and last four quality are converting, uh, are working towards humanity. So yeah, that's human aspects and the divine aspects. It is divided into 8 and 4. 4 are purely aspiration towards divine, and 8 are when we achieve something, we get some insights from the divine, then we apply it to the humanity. That is for that 4 are for that. We can see clearly in our Matrimandi symbol. Okay, so 4 months yoga completed, 3 months mother's aspects completed, and 1 month completed. Now from new moon to full moon and full moon to new moon, we have divided each chakras. Like today is heart chakra day, that's why green color you can see. When next it will be a throat chakra, then you can see the blue color. And in green chakra, 2 days, we have divided a day also in 24 minutes chakra combination. So this framework will be a whole system, like meditation, medicine work. So medicine has science for which disease, which is the remedy, like this. Like 2 days is for heart chakra, but the combination when heart centers combine with any other chakras. So in whole day 24 hours we have 24 minute session from 4 a.m. to next 4 a.m. So this is our little framework, and this 24 minute we have divided into yam niyam asana pranayam pratyahar dharana dhyan and samadhi. So 3 3 minute segment, and then again yam and niyam are 5 5. So 3 minute again divided into 36 seconds. So it becomes a guided meditation also. So we can practice our this framework how long we want to practice. Like this 24 minute, this 24 minute, then this 24 minute. So this we will introduce sometime. We will do also, and some session, some counseling session also we will conduct, like tarot card and many things. But every day this class will be going on. This is our very first introduction of our framework, and we will do this class every day, slowly, slowly, slowly. We will collect data also, the whatever the changes we are finding, so it becomes scientific, because this is a research for PhD. So we will collect the data also, but a few months we will first apply those things on us. So what should we remember as we are going to finish this talk? So today is from small to bigger span of time we will cover. Today is heart chakra day. Tomorrow maybe also is the heart chakra day. I can see today is Saptami. Yes, tomorrow is also heart chakra day, and you can join also on our clock. We have a clock, so no, don't worry about remembering it. We have clock link. So today and tomorrow is heart chakra day. Then the whole month, and this heart chakra day is ascending because we are moving toward full moon, and this full moon will be the Buddha Purnima. Maybe you can check, this Purnima is Buddha Purnima. So we are at heart center middle. Now we are moving toward Purnima, and then after Purnima we will descend. So in this Auroville we are in our framework. One is from rising of the Kundali, our aspiration to divine. And after Purnima, it will be divine's grace that will descend. Because Sri Aurobindo told about descent also, and many yogic practices are about ascent. Our aspiration and the descent, Mother's grace. So both we have covered. All yoga covered, descent ascent covered, everything chakra, five koshas covered, nine archetype covered. Then we will practice from tomorrow. And so chakras are for today, tomorrow heart chakra. This month is for perseverance, and we are learning and living the qualities of Mahalakshmi, harmony. How to be harmonized, how to be harmonized uh, in with the nature. So this is the month of perseverance, and Mahalakshmi is the aspect 3 month. It started on this 15th of April, and next 3 month will be the next will be Mahalakshmi month, and we are running out uh, Bhakti Yoga. Maybe few days left. We will revise every day. How many days left? So 22 days, 24 hour, 22 hour, 22 days and 22 hours left in Bhakti Yoga. Then we will start for Gyan Yoga. So something we will read from Synthesis of Yoga also. There is a segment about Bhakti Yoga, Gyan Yoga, Karma Yoga. So we will sometimes some with we will read something, sometimes we play something here, sometimes we see some figures. This class will be going on maybe around 8:30 or 8:45 around. We will set a time, and every day it will be uh, 9 is also a good time here. So we can fix at 9 also. So India time, IST. So Gyan Yoga, Bhakti Yoga till 20 days, 22 days more, and then it will come Gyan Yoga. So Heart Chakra, Perseverance, Mahalakshmi, and Bhakti Yoga. This is our framework. And today was the introductory class. We will do some practices also. We will learn about some asanas, and beyond it, how to go beyond asanas, yoga, pranayama, and 24 hours keep remain in that state, reminding mother and take intuitions, take inspiration from the divine. How to surrender ourselves, how to create aspiration in us for the divine, how to activate psychic being inside us. So we will meet tomorrow, and we can find these videos on YouTube also. Every day I will upload this recording, and when we will tomorrow, keep in mind of today's class, because each class is a evolutionary journey. It is evolution fast forward. So with this kind of vision that we were evolving, and we will make it into the research purpose. So keep note of your progress every day, and we will meet soon. Tomorrow we will meet, and we will continue this class. So namaste, and we will end the class with the note Ma, because today is fourth chakra. So we will end also this class with Tarega Ma. Fourth chakra is Ma, and today is day of Ma. Okay.